need to add headers or footers to your PDF documents without spending hours editing each page manually. Whether you're preparing business reports, invoices, contracts, academic papers, or official documents, adding consistent headers and footers makes your PDFs look more organized and professional. Today, we'll show you an easy solution. Softaken Add Header and Footer online free. Problem: managing PDF documents can be time-consuming, especially when you need to add the same header or footer to every page. Manually inserting company names, document titles, page numbers, dates, or copyright information is repetitive and inefficient. Many PDF editors are expensive, difficult to use, or require software installation, while some online tools offer limited customization or affect document quality. These challenges make PDF editing slower and less productive. Solution: that's where Softaken Add Header and Footer online free provides the perfect solution. This easy-to-use online tool lets you quickly add professional headers and footers to your PDF documents. You can insert custom text, page numbers, dates, and other important information while preserving the original formatting and quality of your file. There's no software to install and no technical expertise required. Simply upload your PDF, customize the header and footer, and download the updated document in just a few clicks. Benefits of adding headers and footers online: repeating text. Add the same header and footer to every page. Page numbers. Insert automatic page numbering. Secure processing. Your PDF stays private on your device. Free to use. Add headers and footers at no cost. Fast processing. Update PDFs in just seconds. No installation. Works directly in your browser. No sign up. Start instantly without an account. Easy to use. Simple interface for quick editing. How to use. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Upload or drag and drop your PDF file. Step 2. Add header and footer. Enter your header and footer text. Add page numbers if needed. Step 3. Download updated PDF. Apply changes and download your updated PDF instantly. If you want a quick and professional way to add headers and footers to your PDF documents, Softaken Add Header and Footer online free is an excellent choice. It saves time, improves document presentation, and helps you create professional PDFs without any hassle. Thanks for watching.